Okay, so now coming to the exercise 4.2. The 4.2 says find the roots of the quadratic by the factorization method. So okay, there are four questions. So I will take two questions, one of the root case and another of course in the fraction case. So the very first question, and which part? The third part. So root over 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equals to 0. This part. And the fourth part, 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equals to 0. We have to solve by the factorization method, right? So by the factorization method, so first of all we will find the product of root 2 and 5 root 2. So the product of root 2 into 5 root 2, that will be equal to 5 and root 2 that is 10, and we will find out the factors of 10, that is 2 and 5, and the constant is having plus signs, so both the factors will be added. So it will be root 2x square plus 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2 is equals to 0. And now from here and here take common, so root 2x is coming common, so this will be x plus root 2, because 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2, so we can take 1 root 2 as common. Now 5 is coming common, so x plus root 2 is equals to 0. So x plus root 2 into root 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. So either x plus root 2 is equals to 0, so x is equals to minus root 2, or root 2x plus 5 is equals to 0, so root 2x is equals to minus 5, so x is equals to minus 5 by root 2. So we will find, right, roots are, right, minus root 2 and minus 5 upon root 2, and this is the answer of this question. Okay. Now for this part, here the question is not in the standard form. A standard form means it should be in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. In this form it should be, right? So take the LCM. So this will be 8 to the 16 x square minus 8x plus 1 is equals to 0 by cross multiplication, right? And now split it, 16 ones are 16 and here is 8. So we can write 16x square, okay, and minus 4x and minus 4x and plus 1 is equals to 0. So 4x is coming common. So 4x minus 1, and here minus 1 will common. So minus 4x minus 1, right? So 4x minus 1 and 4x minus 1 is equals to 0. So it means that 4x minus 1 is equals to 0. So this implies that 4x is equals to 1. So x is equals to 1 by 4. In this factor also we will get the same value. So anyhow we will write the roots are 1 by 4 and 1 by 4, because it is a case of quadratic equation. So quadratic equation means there will be always two value of x, which is called roots, two roots. Okay. Okay, so the next question I am going to take, that is question number I will take. Which question I will take? The find two number whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Thus find two numbers whose sum is 27. This is question number 3. Okay. Let one number be x and other number be second number because sum is given 27, so 27 minus x. And according to question, their product, according to question, their product x into 27 minus x is equals to how much it is given? 182. Okay. So this will be 27x minus x square is equals to 182. So now transfer this side to all the terms to the right hand side. So x square minus 27x plus 182. Okay, now we got the quadratic equation and apply splitting method, splitting the middle term. Okay, so splitting the middle term, so we want 87, 27. So find the factors of 2's. 2 nines are 18 and 2 ones are 2. And then 7, 13 sevens are. So we want how much? 27. So 7 twos are 14 and 14 plus 13, 27, because the constant is having plus signs and the sign of middle term is minus. So both the factors will be added with minus sign. So 0 is equals to x square minus 14x and minus 13x and plus 182. So 0 is equals to x is coming common, x minus 14 and minus 13, then x minus 14. So 0 is equals to x minus 14 into x minus 13. So either x minus 14 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 14 and x minus 13 is equals to 0. Okay. So x is equals to 13. So if x is equals to 14, then other number will be 13. Okay. So therefore numbers are 14 and 13. Okay, because if x is 14, then other number is 27 minus 14, 13. If one number is 13, then other number is also 14. Okay, so the fourth question also same, but I will only frame the equation and you will solve. Okay, the fourth question. Question number 4. Find two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose squares. So let first positive integer be x, then second consecutive positive integer will be x plus 1, and according to question, x square plus x plus 1 whole square is equals to how much? 365. This is the condition. Okay, now open it. X square plus 2x plus 1 is equals to 365. So this will be equal to 2x square plus 2x minus 364 is equals to 0, and now divided by 2 to make the equation easy. So x square plus x minus 182 is equals to 0, and now find the factors and split it. Can you find the factors? Can I leave up to here only? Okay, so the next question I am going. So the question number 5. The altitude of right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. The altitude of right triangle. Okay, suppose this is the right triangle and this base 7 less than the, if the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter. So in a triangle, right triangle ABC, if angle B is 90 degrees, so of course this is the hypotenuse. The side opposite to right angle is always hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is given 13 centimeter and the altitude of right triangle is 7 centimeter less than the base. Suppose the base is x. Okay, then what about the altitude? Altitude is 7 centimeter less, means x minus 7. And now it is right angle triangle. So in right triangle ABC, by applying Pythagoras theorem, okay, by applying Pythagoras theorem, and the Pythagoras theorem says कि square of the hypotenuse is equals to sum of the squares of other two sides. This is the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, this is the Pythagoras theorem. So AC square means 13 square, AB square means x minus 7 whole square. Okay, and then BC is x square. So 169 is equals to x square plus 49 minus 7 to the 14x and plus x square. So 169 is equals to 2x square minus 14x and plus 49. Now transfer this to the right hand side. So 0 is equals to 2x square minus 14x, and after the transfer sign will change, and 9 minus 9 0 and 6 minus 4 2 and then 120. Okay, and now make it simple by dividing 2. So 0 is equals to x square minus 7x and minus 60, and now split the middle term. Okay, split the middle term. So by splitting the middle term, here is 60, so we will 230 and 252 by 2, 15, and by 3 it is 5. We want 7. So how we will get 7? How we will get 7? 2 2 is a 4, 3 is a 12, and 12 minus 5 we will get 7, right? So 0 is equals to x square minus 12x, because the middle term is minus 7, so there will be minus and this should be plus. So minus 12x and plus 5x and minus 60. So 0 is equals to x common, x minus 12, and 5 x minus 12. So 0 is equals to x minus 12 into x plus 5. We got the two factors. So either x minus 12 is equals to 0, so x is equals to 12, or x plus 5 is equals to 0, x is equals to minus 5, which cannot possible, because length or base or altitude cannot be negative. It means our base is 12. Okay, the question says find the other two sides. So therefore base is equals to, what is base? Base is 7, and base is equals to of 12 centimeter, and the altitudes 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 is equals to 12 minus 7, that is 5 centimeter, and this is the answer of this question. Okay, so now we are coming to the another important, very important question of your book, that is question number 6, that is based on that cost and production and cost. Okay, so for that I will give you an example, and the example is, because through the example we can understand this question very easily. Okay, very in the very easy form we can understand this question. Suppose you went to a market to purchase some item, a stationery item. Suppose from the stationery shop you want to purchase pen. Okay, you want to purchase pen. So you ask the shopkeeper, okay, what is the cost of that pen? And he said the one pen cost rupees, say 10. Okay, then you have purchased 5 pens. Then how much amount you have to pay? 50, means the total cost is equals to the quantity means number of pens multiplied by rate. Okay, then you will pay this total cost. So this is the meaning of total cost. Okay, so the question is, a cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day, and it was observed that on a particular day that the cost of production of each article was rupees 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. Okay, so let number of articles produced produced on a day be X. Okay, number of articles produced on day be X. So the question says the cost of each article. So cost of each article means one article. Okay, so we may write one article. Cost of one article is equals to, what is the condition? The cost of each article was rupees 3 more than twice the number. 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. 3 plus 2x. So total cost means total cost. Total cost. What will be the total cost? X multiplied by 3 plus 2x, as just I have given example, and total cost is given 90. So this is 3x plus 2x square. Open it, do the like terms. So 0 is equals to 2x square plus 3x and minus 90. And now split 90 to the 180 and find the factors. Okay, 2 90, then 2 45, then 3 15. What do you want? 3. So 12 and 15, and the constant is minus sign, so there will be subtraction. The sign of middle term is positive, so the greater number will be positive and a smaller will be minus. So 0 is equals to 2x square and plus 15x and minus 12x and minus 90. So 0 is equals to, now x is coming common, so 2x plus 15 and minus 6 will come common, so 2x plus 15, right? So 0 is equals to 2x plus 15 into x minus 6. So either 2x plus 15 is equals to 0. So 2x is equals to minus 15. So x is equals to minus 15 by 2, which is not possible because number of articles cannot be negative. So either x minus 6 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 6. It means the cost of each article is cost of, find the, what we have to find? If the total cost, we find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. So x is equals to 6, right? X is equals to 6. What is x? X is number of articles. So therefore, number of articles is equals to 6, and cost of article, each article, that is equals to 3 plus 2x, means 6 2s are 12 plus 3, 3 plus 12, that is equals to 15. So this is the final answer of your question. Okay, thank you very much. And again, I'm telling you, if you are having any type of doubt or in solution of any question, please write in comment section. I will try to resolve, okay, in the next class. Thank you very much. And for the last exercise, please wait for a moment. I will take another class. Thank you very much.